birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
48 na, baby pa.
Yeah, she's so happy. That's ano yan, luha ng kaligayahan.
Sana makita kami ni Lito. Sana makita lang kami.
Hindi na ako mag-wish. Thank you na lang. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Presa. Mabet. Nyo.
Come and take picture with
Come on, blow your candles so we can eat your cake. Picture.
Okay, blow. Candle light again and then picture style. Okay, line up everyone.
Ito ka naman,
Okay, line up there we go. I got everybody then. On 3, huh? And of course the celebrant by the rose. Isabel by the rose. Everybody join in. We got the angle. Pwede pa rito. Yeah, kay Betty, pwede pa dyan. Hindi. Basta kaya lang flash. High resolution to eh. Okay, testing ha.
Wait, coming.